Hello guys, welcome to Caleb's Kitchen. Today, I'll show you how to make spaghetti carbonara. It is an Italian recipe and it is very famous. Let's start with the ingredients for the spaghetti carbonara. Parmesan to your taste, 1 cup of bacon bits, half cup of olive oil, 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 2 teaspoons black salt, pepper to your taste, 1 pound of pasta, and 9 cups of water for boiling the pasta. So now I'm gonna get my water ready for boiling. So I'm gonna turn on the stove and close the lid. You'll be able to tell when it's boiling when there's a lot of bubbles. So to make the water boil faster, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil. That's it. And it's better for the taste of the pasta too. I'm going to be putting the pasta in because the boiling water is boiled. I'll use a spoon to put it in later. Continue the process of putting the pasta in. I put the pasta in, now you have to boil it for 10 minutes with the cover closed. Pasta's been boiling for 10 minutes now, so I'm going to put my gloves on. I'm going to lift the pasta, and I have a strainer in the sink already, and I'm going to dump it in this strainer. Okay, now take it back to the stove. Make sure all the water's out, and then bring it back to the same pot. Now, I'm going to tell you about the mixing for the rest. Now I'm going to start mixing the ingredients in. So I'm going to put the milk first. I'm going to put a little bit of the milk at the start. And then I'm going to put in the garlic and the onion powder. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the black salt around the pasta, and I'll mix. Okay, I'll put a little bit more black salt. Now I'm going to put some pepper. This is my pepper grinder. Okay. So I'm going to mix it now again. And I'm going to come back on video telling you how to make the sauce. So, all my hard work paid off. I'm going to open the lid. Whoa, that looks good. I'm going to take out the pasta. Okay, and I'm going to do the taste test. Okay. It tastes so good. I can eat like the whole pot. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye. Again. Please subscribe for more episodes.